Welcome back to this new video. Last time we were trying Copilot Agent with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This time we are going to try the same but with Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So we're going to use basically the same project as we did before, but this time using Sonnet 3.5. To do this we are going to use exactly the same prompt as we did before. Let's remember that here we are using agent and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, 3.7 sorry, Sonnet with the same prompt that we used last time. So upgrade this repository to the latest versions available. For instance, Java version, adding the Java version file, Spring Boot, Kotlin version, Gradle wrapper version, etc. Let's try. Okay, it's asked us to enable Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Okay, what is saying here is analyzing the project and is saying that we'll upgrade Gradle wrapper, Spring Boot, Kotlin to latest version, same things that we did, and now is asking me to basically cd in the same directory via command line and upgrade the version to Gradle wrapper 8.5. Let's try. Okay, we'll fail because it's not able to set Java home. Okay, this got stuck, so let's stop this and let's try manually. There is no Java version here, so let's set this manually, or maybe let's ask to this to getting this error. Okay, is able to understand that we are using JEnv and is trying to fix this, understanding which Java is Java and then trying to fix Java home. Java home is available, so I'm not sure what's happening. Try again. Okay, so added the Java version to JDK version 17, keep, then we continue here, running the wrapper, error, Java home is set to enable directory still. JM version 17 is not installed. Let's see if it's able to fix the error by itself. Okay, let's set 17.0, set this, try again. Okay, now seems that is making changes in the middle Gradle, upgrading for instance Spring Boot version, all the plugins, so you can see here, removing Spring Boot plugin and dependency management. Okay, skip this. What it's also doing is searching for the packages that were from Java X to Jakarta. It is the new version of Jakarta E9 Plus, and is also searching for the code. Actually made some modification using the user controller, subtly making the code compatible with the new version of Webflux. Skip this. This is done. Okay, continue to iterate, yes please. It also start to upgrading, the test to adapt to Spring Boot Webflux, the new version. Okay, 3 changes, one is this, yes, perfect. Another change here, same, upgrading to JUnit 5, another change here, yeah, same. Okay, now let's try to run the build. Build failed. Let's see if he's able to understand what's happening. Compilation error. The error is related to the toFlux extension function in getUser. Let's see if he's going to fix it. Seems so. Flux following terrible, blah blah, to list. Keep and run the test again. That's actually the build. Failed again. Build the Gradle. Let's see what it's going to do. Compatibility with JUnit 5, similar to what did in the previous, using the previous model. Okay, let's skip this and continue. Build again. Build successful. Exactly the same as the previous model. So it's listing the changes, added Java wrapper, Java version with Java 17, upgraded the Gradle wrapper to version 8.7, Spring Boot to 3.2.4, Kotlin to 1.9.23, some adjustments in the code, JUnit 5, etc. So all the tasks almost done. Okay, so let's commit this. Then we're going to see in the UI what are the changes exactly. Okay, here is the pull request created. Java version 17.0. We needed to make a manual fix because I didn't have this exact version in JM. Here are all the versions upgraded to the latest available in the model, I guess. Compatibility not with JDK8, a new jest that is for Elasticsearch, I think, if I remember correctly, and then upgrading to Unit 5, ASRJ, Fluent to the latest version, same as the previous thing. Okay, and then Gradle upgrade for the wrapper, upgraded to version 8.7. Then here upgrading the code and the tests. Okay, let's compare this with the previous model. Here is the comparison by side of the two PRs. So here, as you can see, the old model was able to upgrade to Java 21, this new model to 17. Here the Spring Boot version is older than compared to 3.7 Sonnet. Same for Kotlin version. The implementation is exactly basically the same. Unit 5, upgrading Fluent. Then the wrapper here has been upgraded to version 8.5, while in this new pull request, this new model upgraded to Gradle wrapper 8.7, so it's a bit newer. Okay, here the the changes in the get user use case. This is changing only to this reactor Kotlin core publisher to Flux, and instead here is using Flux from iterable, so it's kind of a cleaner version, I would say. Okay, switching to better visualization, so this is easier to follow basically. So in the old version it added AT profile tests before each setting up, so took a bit of the profile test. I mean, it's two different ways of doing things. Here did a minimum change in the new version, just removing run with Spring Runner class, removing Unit 5, and that's it. But here in this old version, basically what it did, it went a step forward by resetting basically the user repository, adding a immutable list here, so did a kind of refactor within the test user controller test, and using basically instead of test rest template used, if I remember correctly, web test client. Yes, here instead it was able to make changes, the minimum changes, without disrupting, changing the entire code. So it's maintaining this new version, maintaining the test rest template, which is okay. Then user controller, okay, use this reactor Kotlin core publisher to Mono, while in the new one basically made the code compatible with making, basically using mono.just instead of the extension function to Mono. Okay, kind of the same. I think that the new model was in general faster. Maybe at the beginning was a bit, couple of times I needed to stop it, etc., but was kind of smart, similar to the previous. And yeah, the changes are minimum, so nice. Well done. Okay, let's give another shot to Claude 3.7 Sonnet by asking to upgrade to Java 21 and more stuff. Upgrade to Java 21. Okay, it modified Java 21. I guess it's going to run the build again. Okay, keep. Then let's try the build again. Oh, build failed. Let's see. The error was not visible. Build successful. Okay, now let's try to get rid of Fluent, which is deprecated and the repository has been archived a long time ago. That is this one. Let's see. Get rid of Claude. Ooh, rate limited. Please wait 5 hours then 29 minutes before trying again. Oops. Well, I guess that the video ends here because I'm not going to wait 5 hours. This is one of the limitations that GitHub Copilot has, not Copilot itself, but the agent that is this experimental feature. I guess that in the next months we will see a more stable and more powerful version of this feature, but by the moment, yeah, we are hitting these limitations. After a few iterations of the, asking several prompts to the agent, it gets this we're getting this rate limit, despite I'm paying actually a subscription to GitHub Copilot Pro. So that's it.